Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm setting up in my Ivory paper coat all-in-one undated planner for my social media channels. And as you can see here, I am already placing down my date dots as well as my monthly sticker for September. Honestly, I have seen a few planners that are dated that I think I would really like. So I am going to use this one till the end of the year for sure, but I'm not quite for sure how I feel about starting it in the next year. So we'll see. And here are some stickers from my very first treasure chest box from Goldmine and Coco. And I thought it would be cool to bring these out in celebration of autumn coming on Tuesday, the official day of autumn in our calendar. And so I will probably also use this washi tape that was included in the kit. It has like warm hues of yellow and orange flowers mixed in with some blues and greens, which came in the kit, as well as this washi tape sticker set and some of the date dots and some of the boxes. So I'm going to go ahead first and start by putting down a box from the colorful sticker book from Happy Planner. I have two that I'm going to consider using, and I went ahead and I decided on the sidebar sticker to go ahead and cover up that whole area where is the habit tracker and some additional trackers there, and I don't need those, so they show through the sticker a little bit, so I did white out this portion here. And it always is interesting to me that no matter how straight you try to put the sticker, no matter how much you think you have it, it still goes down crooked. So I went ahead and pulled it back up to straighten it out, and I ran out of whiteout, so I used my white gel pen, and I actually like this one over the Jelly Roll pen, so I'll link that down below in case you're interested in getting it for yourself if you're interested. And I love using this particular sticker because she's like coming into the week and she's thinking about her week and looking towards her goals and all that kind of stuff. So I like that one. And then this other sticker that I'm going to use, it looks like to me as though she's walking out of the week and she has crushed her goals and met her objectives and she's ready for the next week. And so I love that beginning and then the end. And so I'm going to place another box sticker down, and I'm going to white out a little bit of the lines that are around that because I try to pull this sticker back up and reposition it, but it didn't work, so I just whited out what was peeking out of the box. And there goes the sticker for the ready to go into next week. And then I am going to use these box stickers, but I decided to go ahead and use some of the washi tape stickers first. And I really wanted to use as much of this kit as possible because I am really trying to use up my stickers. I have to admit, when I really got into the planning community last year and I was starting to get my subscription kits and starting to like really get a lot of sticker books and so forth, I think I just got so much that I just couldn't use it all. And so, and I'm like, wow, that was only last year that I got my first subscription kit from Goldmine and Coco and so forth. And by this time, my collection was really getting big. So I think I started getting subscription boxes at the beginning of 2019. Gosh, I can't remember. It's gone by so fast. Either 2019 or 2018. And I started off with the Planner Society. I really think it was 2019. But I started to say, oh, plantar society, I love it, but I got enough of it. And I still got plantar society. I have so much of it. And so then I went to Simply Gilded, and then I added on Goldmine and Coco, and I was just having a blast. Okay. And so I really love this kit, but it was a lot of it that I was trying to utilize within a small amount of time that I had. And I just totally forgot that I had leftovers from the subscription box. So I really am glad to use it now. And I am trying to really make for sure that I not just buy a lot of stuff and continue to hoard, but that I'm actually using it. And this weekend, it's like a big planner community sale collaboration that is taking place with a lot of the stores. And so far, I have not bought anything. So I'm really proud of myself. So we'll see as the weekend continues if I will buy anything or not. And I will give you an update on my next Plan With Me video for next week. But yeah, so I'm glad that I'm coming into a level of planner maturity where I don't have to buy all things and everything. And now I really am starting to see that I'm a little bit more selective and a little bit more calm. So, but what I did is I took this washi tape and I took the strip and broke it up into 2 days, and I like that, and I just staggered it from row to row. And because it's like more of artsy geometric shapes and dots and circles, I thought it would be cool just to sort of stagger it. It doesn't have to totally make sense. It's more abstract. So I just went with that. Okay. And I love this sticker towards the left bottom. It's called Rich. And that stands for realizing I create happiness. Realizing I create happiness. And if I'm not mistaken, that is what this box was actually called, Rich. That was the theme of the box. And then we have the other full box sticker that I put on Friday column. And it's like that artsy type of artwork that we all really like to see in our collections. And so, and then I had this washi tape that was included in this box, and I wanted to try to use some of that to maybe use on the additional days that I didn't have any decorative elements. So I just took some of that, and I didn't put it right at the top. I sort of positioned it a little bit lower than the top of the box itself, just to give it some staggering feel to it, that it's not just perfect and everything is just not lined up perfectly. So, and to me, when you think of an abstract piece of work, everything just doesn't make sense. It has its own kind of rhythm and vibe. So that's how I'm thinking about this, and I'm going with it. And so at first I was initially going to write in like some affirmation words or empowerment words in the boxes behind the dolls, but I decided that I wanted to go ahead and utilize this washi tape a little bit more. And so I lined the inner edges of the boxes with this washi tape, and I actually like the way that turned out. And so overall, I'm really satisfied with this particular spread. It's a little bit different for what I'm accustomed to, but I like it. And I sort of straightened up the washi tape there. I tell you, you think you put down something straight, and then you take a look at it again, and bam, there's something for you to fix. So and I wanted to use the boxes that was left on the sticker sheet, and so I went ahead and put that on the spread as well, because I do like the small boxes, and I could put like an affirmation word in there or a focus word or something to that degree in these boxes. So here are the 2 pages up a little bit closer. And yeah, I really like how this turned out. It's really fun. And I'm just going to give you a quick view of the rest of the week, because with this particular planner you get a weekly spread, and then the daily pages for each day follow right after. And so I just did a light decoration on those. I really like how this spread turned out, and I hope you did too. I'm so excited for the beginning of autumn. And by the way, I do have a referral link down below in case you are interested in subscribing to the subscription kits from Goldmine or Coco, or just purchasing any products on their website. And thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to giving you an update on whether or not I purchased anything through this planner shop collaboration that's going on for this weekend. And thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell. And until the next time, bye-bye.